How to use your mouse wheel options in PractiCAD. PractiCAD gives us the ability to control the value that each number in the item box moves up or down when we're using the wheel mouse by controlling the options inside the preset section. To demonstrate this, we're going to go and choose a radius elbow out of our fitting bin, and we're going to come over to the item box. Notice we're going to click on the parameter within, and we're going to scroll up one click with the wheel mouse. So what we're doing now is we're moving up one shot with the wheel mouse. Notice that the parameter is going from 38 to 39 to 40. So what it's doing is for every click with the wheel mouse, it's moving up exactly one numerical value or down one numerical value. This can be controlled inside your presets options section. To enter that section, we need to go into the library icon on your PractiCAD ribbon. On the left-hand side, we must click on the word presets. Notice that currently we have the word presets highlighted. When we do that, the preset options will open up. And the first option in that section currently is the mouse wheel options. Now there's three boxes here: length, angle, and integer, and they're describing three different parameter types. Generally, length is for all length parameters, not just the ones that say length. For example, width in, depth in, straight out. Those are usually controlled by length. Angle only controls the parameter labeled angle, which we're going to demonstrate by changing the angle parameter to 5. An integer would control special parameters. For example, in this tutorial, integer is going to be controlled by radius factor. So we're going to set the length parameter to 1. We're going to set the angle parameter to 5, and we're going to set the integer to 2 just to demonstrate the difference between the three. We're going to hit the save key, and then we're going to exit out using the close button in your library section. Once we've exited out, we're going to go and grab the radius elbow we were looking at before. We're going to select the radius elbow, and we're going to come over to the item box. Now we're going to go over to the width and depth parameters. These are classified as length parameters when it comes to the mouse wheel options. We're going to click up once. Notice that when we click up once, it's still moving by one increment. It goes from 20 to 21 to 22. However, now we're going to go to the angle, and we're going to do one mouse roll. Notice when we do that, it goes from 90 degrees to 95. We'll do it again. Now it's 100 degrees, 105, 110. So that's moving up 5 increments at a time. And last, we have the radius factor. This is classified as an integer parameter. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll up once, and you can see it went from 1 to 3. It's stepping up the 2, the value 2 that we set it in the mouse wheel options. So we can control how much a value moves up or down by just controlling those options in PractiCAD. That'll conclude the tutorial on the mouse wheel options.